Abaholi bendabuko kwaMhlanga bathi amabhlorho ethuliwe azoguqula kakhulu impilo yabantu kule ndawo.
Izonceda kakhulu ukuthi abantu bethu othisha even when it is raining bakhona ukuya ezikoleni befundisa abantu bethu. Okunye futhi ingane zethu will be able to go to schools. They won't bunk classes simply because it is raining.
Lama blorho akhiwa ngokubambisana nombutho wezokuvikela kuleli iSANDF.
Didn't take us much time. It's a 3-month construction program as it's a disaster intervention.
Umengameli wakuleli izwe uCyril Ramaphosa unxuse abantu bakwaMhlanga ukuba bengacekeli phansi lama blorho.
These bridges must be well maintained. They must be well looked after. And kungabi nento ukuthi kuzo vandalizwa. The community must be the eyes and the ears of making sure that these bridges stay as they are, because ngamabhlorho enu.
Ngokusho komnyango wemisebenzi kahulumeni nenqalazinda angama-41 amabhlorho asakhiwe kuleli izwe ngaphansi kwalolu hlelo iwelisizwe Rural Bridges Program. Kanti uphokophele ukwakha amabhlorho angama-96.
To date, 41 bridges have been completed across 5 provinces, including in Mpumalanga. And these bridges have already brought tangible benefits, ensuring that during heavy rains, families are no longer cut off from essential services and economic opportunities.
Uhulumeni kulindeleke ukuthi uqhubeke nokwethula amabhlorho ezifundazweni iKwaZulu-Natal, i-Eastern Cape, iLimpopo, iNorth West, iFree State kanye neMpumalanga.